think I finally learned how to fish the river. Just did it. You can't see, but my line's way out there. And it's set. And it's floating on top. And the bait is midway. And it's in the current. And it's steady. All I have to do is watch her. I don't even have to hold on to her. I am quite proud. I've been trying to do this for years. I think I finally found the right time, the right place, and the right way. Let's see if I catch anything. It was a beautiful day with the sun out. It's still a beautiful day. It's October. I'm in shorts and a tank top. And it's cold.